Oh, the dream is long, yes, but the process was 12 years. So altogether, the main point was how to limit the weight under the 150 kilograms, or to use the as simple approach as possible to be cost acceptable and reliable machine. Mark contacted me when I put the first video on the web, and so we started the conversations, and he was immediately very interested to the machine, and so we are here.
So this is the Mirocopter SCH-2A. It is a Part 103 true ultralight helicopter that just started production in January in Slovenia. The main market is for recreation. The biggest benefit really for this helicopter is the fact that it's coaxial. The benefits of coaxial are numerous. One, it can lift more weight. Two, because it's coaxial, there's no inherent torque within the system. So when you pull collective, you're not dealing with the rudder pedals nearly as much at all to go up into a hover. So that makes it easier, therefore safer than a normal configuration helicopter. It comes in one crate and it comes built. It's not a kit. You do have to put some things together, like the top part with the seat area, and then you put on the landing gear and the tail boom, but it takes about 4 hours to do all that, so it's very quick. Again, you don't need to spend your money on a private pilot's license if you don't have one. But we ask you then to spend that money on training. You don't want to strap this on without training. We insist that you become a proficient student pilot in a 2-seat helicopter, R22. Hopefully you can find a Hughes 300. We're asking 10 hours to become comfortable with hover, transition, auto rotation, so you're confident when you get in this thing. That's been one of the most fun things, is to see people scrutinize this aircraft and to then complement the engineering and the construction and the workmanship.
When you do something like this and you fly the first time with the machine that I never been flying only the parachute before, and it was quite the biggest success in my life, being in the air with my own knowledge and skills.